Today I would like to introduce to you Xerox's production machines. This new Versant 280, it is an upgrade of the V180. The IPO time is usually 21 or 22 years later, compared to V180. Mainly an upgrade of carton hardware. Includes an upgrade to its pager. Its basic parameters are almost the same as those of V180. There's one important difference. It can print 400 grams of paper. V180 can only print 300 grams. This is the most important distinction. Other features still maintain Xerox's excellent color printing results. In addition to that, the price of this copier is relatively cheap. And the branding impression. Currently this is a new remanufactured copier on the market. There are still new machines on sale now. Then this machine is actually the US version. The model is called V280. After Xerox and Fujifilm separated, Fujifilm has released an SC170 in the Asia-Pacific region. The difference between these two models is only the name. The US version is called V280. The Asia-Pacific version is called Fujifilm SC170. There are only minor differences between the two photocopiers. Now to show you the printing results of this copier. If you want more information, welcome to contact us.